the program now, Oga Driver, and the topic we talk about today now, how our people go assess how they go the crossroad, when they design road, why they use consider the people, particularly those when no fee cross. Yes, and today we look at the importance of pedestral bridge. How important is pedestral bridge? So, if you want to join us on this discussion, maybe dial 08101 269753 081 01269753. So that if you deal for Bodoyibo, if you call us on +234 8101 269753, so that you will tell us how important what you feel they supposed to do, because as we dey talk, and so most of our road no get pedestral bridge. Yes, they no get pedestral bridge, and this pedestral bridge, they say they reduce traffic for most places, particularly congested area. Yes, what be this pedestral bridge when they talk about? Some they call it footbridge. Yes, and that footbridge, they construct across railway line, highway, that is express, or even inside town where they congested, and so that people, when you and people when we say that they no fit use their leg, wakana push them, or those when they push themselves for inside keke fit cross. And I can tell you, it get both staircase when you go take leg climb, and it get area where people when no fit use leg climb, they go use their machine, like those ones they push for keke like that. Some of the, you see say they sit down, they go use their hand, they push the machine. So those kind ones, their own day too, that one no get staircase, now just slope, just the slopey. So we still there for this thing, and we won't look at the importance of those kind bridge. How important are those kind bridge for our life? This bridge is important because it will provide access, and is they safe for that person when they use keke, and person when they crawl for ground, like those when they use rollers. It get place when you go, definitely it has to go and turn like motor, if you cross. And don't forget, not be only across road and this thing that they do, even when city they congested, if you build them across houses, because just do like small street, you go climb, you go come down, so without they no touch any building. Yes, so this one, one of the way to ease mobility. What is mobility? That is movement of people from one place to the other. And anywhere them do this thing, they reduce accident. I don't talk on before, because people when and those when they work out for ground, and motor when they pass, they don't go meet. Because see, person when they on top bridge, and person when they a motor when they ground, how do they meet? And they build in such a way that both sides is protected. Not we say it's just they free. No. Even the side go even top by the person. So all our road needs those things, so that it will ease movement, and vehicles when they pass highway, they will pass without they no touch anybody. That one might be one of the advantage. And the other one be say, like I tell you, it reduce traffic. of people and even the vehicle. Wetin be traffic? That congestion of people and motor. Because when people just dey, like marketplace now, once people come, the next thing na to drop their things for the roadside before they move inside. You understand? And person when in just drop, he wan cross, how he go take cross? Because make motor dey move freely, you see say they'll put protector in between the road, or they'll put slab, big slab, so that people no go dey jump from one road to the other, one lane to the other. So because of those lane jumping that pavement, now they put, because now they put that pedestral bridge. If you be man, before you cross from one lane to the other, if the pavement dey, it go hide you. And how much more woman, she go begin fold her cloth. Even though I know these days women na short neck and trouser they wear, that will not be problem for them. What a man can do, a woman can do even better. But what about those when they wear trouser? Those when they wear skirt. You get skirt when they call and cross no gutter those days. I don't know other women still they use them. We see one woman when I go to work, you know, go fit carry leg, you know, if you stretch leg. If you want stretch leg now to fold down. So if you want cross gutter, you have now to fold that skirt. So if you wear that kind one, you know, if you cross that kind road. So but if pedestrian bridge day, if you climb, yes, you climb from one side and drop for the other side. Yes. And I tell you, beside rail, and you know the danger of rail line. Rail, that is railway. The way when that road when they pass, we they call it railway. Run away. I've been a run away. So that road when they pass, that's iron. And it's in a speed they take come. Because of the kind way when we they take leave now. You see the person now phone day in hand, they listen to music. You don't block two of it. Yeah, I go tell here say they come. Because if they come, from far I go they blow home. Boom. And no till you reach your place now, blow you go to blow. And you know Kukuma get break until you reach park. You know they break until you reach park. So over that place, on top of that kind road too, that they do the pedestrian bridge. Then for swampy area, one small water lodge, they'll fit do and maybe put the cross. Even for area where erosion they threaten. After they don't do the erosion, I know say the gutters when they take control erosion, they big. All this big gully erosion. If now inside people, the next thing they will do pedestrian bridge on top so that people feel they pass. Yes, because the only way when people when they side B go feel accept people when they side A be that. So and they reduce congestion for the road and for the marketplace, so if na worship place, so yes, it will reduce congestion. When some people go pass up, some people will pass down. People when they take leg waka na up, they go pass. People when one carry their motor na down, they go pass. So that one go reduce congestion. What if the congestion are too many people to gather in one place? Yeah. And it will increase connectivity. What if the connectivity? It will link you to where you want to go direct. Without you, because when that pavement day on top road, for Lagos, you even see from some city, they will use net barricade the place when that bridge day. Once there is bridge, you know if you take leg cross again, if they catch you, some now 50,000 when they catch you, say you cross that place, you cross road with leg. You get some lane when be say na 6 lane. Some na 5, some na 3, some na 2. Now two lane now we get for this side. Get one will be 6 lane. How you go tell cross that one? Motor they run from both sides. So that one too, that's why the pedestrian bridge they important. So we call on those when they in charge anytime when they construct road, all this road construction when they go on, when I put pedestrian bridge for inside, because that one now go make sure say people they get free access to where they want to go. And somebody will tell me, say, hey, get one for our cheap poly here. Yes, of all the road for everywhere, and I only that one day. Well, I know, say, for that corner, several accidents. They don't kill plenty people for there, for that poly gate, overspeeding, see bend. So all these things. So we need, that's why we need a pedestrian bridge. I tell you, say, schools where children they cross, how much more higher institution. Now, Federal University, Lokoja, they suffer that one too now. Always, because you say they don't kill students for the gate. Why? Because no pedestrian bridge. Yes. So all this one, that be the solution to that. Because the school there on top of express. And because it there express, it need that bridge to avoid those death of life and loss of goods and services. So pedestrian bridge, they encourage people when they walk and people when they use keke. Yes, then because it's safe for people when they walk out for ground and those when they push. And now another way when they develop the urban or semi-urban area. Yes, because people don't too plenty, and to walk out for the major road when they provide, motor they pass, and even the road maybe they link to another state or another community. Definitely, congestion go down. If congestion there, you don't go feel rule out accident. And somebody will say most of these bridges, if they build them, now hoodlums and snatchers, they use that place. Then they put security. Even at night, they put light. And you'll see people, you'll see some people, they stand, you don't know who them be. So that one, another distance. Yes. And people, when they up, they enjoy what they call, they go, all this unnecessary inhaling of dust and all the rest of maybe this smoke from motor and all the rest of them. And you go there just to hear people they holler for ground. So you go there safe for all this time. People when know well, they don't feel enter crowd, see access. So you get plenty advantage, and they environmental friendly. Yes. So we still talk about this bridge and how it is important. It is important because in the major infrastructure, when they beautify community again, once a day you go beautify the community, and you go people will cross without the no stress on anybody, the no stress motor, the no stress people when they work out together. Yes. And anybody when you see say climb that bridge, now cross, you won't cross. Nobody will go there like as motor they will come and say people stand, they look, or people park. No parking space on top now. And like I tell you, be marketplace, even though some of them you'll see say they sell something on top for the side. You understand? So no be parking space. I know they jump park like the way ground they did jump park. So when we they plan road, the one they do gutter by the roadside, may water they pass. Because if you not create road for water, you go create road for himself. That's why he say all our road by the roadside, you see say erosion don't chop and finish. So likewise, this pedestrian bridge, if they no provide them, people go to enter road anyhow. And guess what is going to happen? Beside the motor go to hit people anyhow, it go to slow you people when they pass journey. Emergency they come, or people when carry that body, people when they pursue, carry money, even though we know say, we know they hear that one again because all our money don't be numbers now. They know they carry papers. Now a few papers they carry. Then even those when they on emergency, so we will give them opportunity because all our road, most of our market, most of our worship centers, they near major, maybe hospital, maybe police station, like that. So because of that, we need all these things in those environments so that we go reduce that traffic when they talk about. So that people when they pass with their motor, machine or keke, go they free. No interference. No more fight between those when they do use keke and those when they use leg. No more fight between those when they use motor and those when they use leg. And like I tell you, it will make the town look neat. If you dey near market, you will see say to cross go dey easy for people when they the market. And I tell you, people when leg depend, people when they no born with leg or they come as disabled, you will feel because if you use their keke climb the something, and person when they blind, he go feel use and too. Could it me and you? When you park your motor, you want climb up, or you want enter the area. You don't need to. You want cross road. You don't need to be look left, look right again. Now just to climb staircase, drop for the other side, and it go reduce risk of accident. Even elderly people, when no fit waka, when no fit run, small you go climb the staircase because you get handle when you go they climb. If you no get, it go give you support. Like people when they fear they no fit raise leg. You get support from side. With the waka small, you hold the side up to you climb up. When they come down too like that. So, they use this opportunity. They call on people when they plan our road. Minister of Work or FEMA, I know say that they under Minister of Work, state, local government and federal. When will they plan our way? Even though that one lane, there's need to put pedestral bridge so that people when they work for leg, they might go they feel the dividend of democracy. Yes. Don't be say you want crossroad, you go they look left, look right. And don't forget, even where you they look left, look right, because of the way when they do the lane, some of the motor they use one way. You will see say, waiting be one way. You go face where motor they from come. Go face and face to face like this. And you when you they look side, because you know say now this thing, what do you call it, no be the side when you dey, no be there the side the motor they come. You go just concentrate on the side where you they go. You don't go dey concerned about waiting they happen for the other side. Before you know, motor or bike fee pick you from the one way. But if pedestrian bridge dey, you don't get this one. Now just to climb up, come down from the other side. I don't know that understand what I talk. The side when you dey, you want cross. Motor go come or bike go come that way. It go face you. And instead, maybe now from your right, you expect say normally now be the right way when the motor supposed come. But because they know pedestrian bridge no dey, and because it won't time on side, it fear or it feel say if you go you do you turn, it don't burn fuel, it will just take one way. You when you stand they expect motor from your right, it will just come meet you for your right. Maybe at the process you won't shift back, or you and you go they dodge each other. At the end, if he hit you, because you no expect say they come. So all this one now, if they provide pedestral bridge, it will reduce, and it would minimize the risk of accident, like that one where they talk. And that pedestral bridge, I tell you, say to reduce traffic or minimize traffic between motor and the person, people when they use leg. And you know, say people when they use leg, plenty pass people when get motor. I been at people when get motor plenty pass. Yeah, we no fit argue this one now. And people when they work out for leg plenty pass, and because now them plenty pass, definitely now them they suppose make provision for, because they don't already make provision for those who get motor. Abi? So people when no get motor, also make them make provision for them when they will take cross. So now we talk for this program, say it is very important. Make our government, as I mentioned there before, federal, state, and local. If they construct road, when they look into this, particularly near market, near worship center, church and mosque, then near where school day, because when children cross, when they close, they must cross. But this time around, even the school when they near us here, I dey see say some of the teachers go carry them go the road, take them cross, make them go house. Whereby if they come house, now their parents go take them cross, make them come. By the time we reason all these things when we construct road, so that at least everybody go dey safe, human life go dey safe. And issue of walkway too. When I see say even the walkway when they do for us, they don't turn to where people they shade thing. Walkway now that pavement when they by the roadside, when person they use leg they pass. No be on top road that they pass. Road now for motor, walkway now for people when they walk out for road. But most of our road no get walkway. That's why you say traffic they always dey for road. Then when they construct this road, they get space when they create when they call a parking area. We no get all this one too. Now just to construct and straight. If na straight road, and so go stay and straight. So if motor won't park, go just park anywhere you like. And anywhere there's parking space, they go put the sign of UP. That means you fit park there. So all this normal road construction, normal road design, make we apply them, because we don't hold past this one. Somebody go say at 55. I've been at 65, then say we be. Nigeria see the waka kurukere. We know all these things. It's high time we're supposed to design them, provide, and at the same time make sure say our people, they teach them how to use all these things. So for this Kalam Radio, we'll continue to come up with issues like this to educate, entertain, and also inform you about the way when we suppose carry out this type of assignment. Because not an assignment. Because pedestral bridge, like I say, it will reduce risk of accident or reduce accident. It will protect those who no get leg. That is those who no get power. Even the elderly, they call them vulnerable. And it will improve traffic flow, because when motor they pass, it will flow without park or delay. Then it will reduce congestion, and it will increase connectivity, because it will give you access to move. Anytime you want to cross, you fear say, I know how I go fit cross this road. And to just climb, well, all you need to eat well, because you go to climb, come down. Your leg will get muscles anyway, but it did better say you go come stay for road. That time when they stay, they watch left, they right, say you won't cross. That one na danger time too. So, and if they help people when no get, people when get, they use keke, they waka, like people when they push themselves, they no get leg, they no bond them with leg. They help them to access the other side. Then tell you say that they build them across a community. Yes, from one quarter to another, from one street to another. So they link community. From this community to this, you get community when we say a road separate them. So when they put pedestrian, this one will just cross using the bridge without say go waka for road. And pedestrian bridge, even they beautify the environment. Tell you say it will make the place beautiful. Yes. Then it will promote what they call sustainability and reduce it will reduce footprint. When we say everywhere, we say people they match. If na swampy area or if na rainfall, because you say anywhere you match water, you will match water because you won't cross. And it is eco-friendly. That is the environmental friendly. You know, get too much wahala. So we dey draw our curtain for here today for the week. Now, next week Monday, you will hear us for this Oga Driver again with another new topic. Like I tell you, Kalam Radio will continue to give you much about information on this type of thing, because those kind of things, then they make community move forward or society move forward. Like I said, for all our road, those pedestrian bridge, they know particularly the highway. I tell you, from Benin up to Abuja, we feel count how many they on the road to all these places. So now here we're going to draw the curtain. If we meet on Monday, we will hear us with another new topic.